Marshall. Let's welcome Thomas Tuffy. Tom was born and raised in Killeen, County Sligo, Ireland, the second of 4 children to Bridie Nee O'Neill and Paul Tuffy. He attended the local school there before he went and graduated from Maynooth. 1985 he emigrated to the United States. For 30 years he's been a member of the Sligo Association, and for the last couple of years he's been president of the United Irish Counties, and the job he did really well, and a job where he was really appreciated. Tom also serves along with myself and the rest of us as a board of director on the New York St. Patrick's Day Parade Committee Inc. and as a member of the St. Patrick's Day Parade and Celebration Committee. There's a couple of kids who are so talented singers you would not believe, Roland and Laurie. I mean, we love hearing them sing. He himself resides in Yonkers with his wife Catherine Nee Sheehan, and as I said, the 2 kids, Roland and Lauren. For the past 25 years he has owned and operated a construction company, TG Tuffy Interiors. Please welcome United Irish Counties aide to the Grand Marshal, Thomas Tuffy. Moving